Welcome to Design and Engineering Insights, our new video series focused on the latest trends and technologies in the heavy equipment industry. I'm Sarah Jensen, editor of OEM Off Highway, and today I'll be speaking with Ajay Prasher, who is Electrification Product Marketing Manager at Caterpillar Inc. And he'll be speaking today about the company's new hybrid engine concept. So thank you, Ajay, for joining me today. And if you can maybe just start with providing an overview of how the Cat C18 hybrid concept works.
Yeah, so this is a major step for us as an industrial engine manufacturer. So what we have here is 600 horsepower from the hybrid system, and then we've got the 800 horsepower from the diesel system. So coupling those two together, that delivers 1400 horsepower in total. So essentially, whenever the engine has got too much torque or we've got too much speed, what we can do is we can recover that through the hybrid system, and we store that energy through a battery system. And essentially, if the engine struggles to meet torque or struggles to meet speed or power, what we can do is return that energy back into the system through a hybrid switch reluctance motor. So that gives great choice to equipment owners. They can choose to run on diesel only, they can choose to run on a combination of diesel and hybrid, or they can choose to run simply just on hybrid. So great flexibility, great choice for equipment owners there.
Okay, so then maybe can you talk a little bit more about some of those other benefits for owners or even an OEM if they were going to implement this technology in their piece of equipment?
Yep, so we're really focusing on offering choice to OEMs, choice to equipment owners. And for us, when we use this hybrid system, we can offer low noise, zero emissions capability. We can also offer plug-in capability as well. So if you've got access to a grid, you can attach your machine to that and run solely off the local grid source. So great solutions, great benefits for equipment owners. If they're operating in a city environment, they can run low noise, zero emissions, for example, next to a school or a hospital. And then, from the electric system, there is significantly more efficiency within the electric, within the machine. So improved fuel consumption. As I say, they can run either just on diesel, on the hybrid system with a diesel engine, or just on the hybrid system. So lots of ways they can see those benefits.
Okay. Can you maybe talk a little bit more about that efficiency? What aspects of the engine design kind of enables those efficiency benefits, and is there more beyond the fuel efficiency? Or
yeah, so if we look at a diesel engine, it's typically always running. At times there are idle periods when it's not running in perhaps the most economic optimized modes. So with the electric hybrid system, what we can do is shut down the diesel system and shut powertrain system. But with that electric hybrid system, we can bring the machine back into a running mode very, very quickly. So you get those sorts of benefits. And then through the electric motor system, I guess through just natural efficiencies within the electric motor, we can improve upon that overall system efficiency.
Okay, great. And what sorts of applications might this be, the system be well suited for?
Yep. So if we look at anything that idles quite a lot, where we'd look to run a start-stop mode, for example. If we've got anything that we're looking to reduce fuel consumption, those are sorts of typical applications. So anything where it's typically running low load and just wants to have that additional power for a shortened period of time. So anything that's looking to downsize from a larger engine to a smaller engine. Or as I say, anything that's looking to run in inner city areas. So typically we'd look at pump sets, we'd look at compressors, we'd look at crushers, for example.
Okay. And how easy is this system to implement for an OEM? Is it pretty straightforward, or would you guys work together with the OEM to help them integrate the system into their application?
Yes, I think Caterpillar has been working with hybrid technology for over 10 years now, so we've got lots of capability. Our focus really is kind of the integration experts to work with OEMs to understand their load profile, their system profile. It's not, I guess, a one size fits all. So what we can do with that OEM is look to understand specifically what they're looking to offer to their equipment owners, whether it's low noise or it's lower fuel consumption. for example, or it's a lower cost system, we can really evaluate all those business requirements, understand what problems they're trying to solve, and then recommend the right solution. So some of those may be very power dense requirements that might derive a specific hybrid system. Another OEM, whether it's more energy hungry, for example, may require a slightly different hybrid system. So there are tunes that we can play within, as I say, the switch reluctance motor or the battery system to optimize that for an OEM, because what we really want to focus is on that economically viable solution that's at the right price point for OEMs and for equipment owners.
Mm-hmm. Okay. And sort of where is Caterpillar now at what stage in the development process of this technology? Is it something that's currently available? Is it something that's still in the testing phase and the company is looking to have it become available soon? We could maybe talk about that.
Yeah, so as I said, Caterpillar's been working with hybrid electric technology for over 10 years. We've got products out there in the marketplace, so we're confident in the machines and the products and the technology we can offer to OEMs. I think the key thing for us is making an affordable solution to equipment owners. They can get those benefits as fuel consumption, they can get those benefits in terms of low noise or zero emissions, but for us, it's really about helping the industry to get to that next level of economically sustainable solutions. So that's where our focus is. And I'm pleased to say, we're excited about this within Caterpillar. We've got a significant team within the business looking at this. It's a global team, lots of focus within Europe and obviously North America. So we as a team are very excited about the products and services which we've got to come. And I say it's a real focus on making those systems affordable, throughout the powertrain of the OEM machine, whether it's the hybrid system or the battery system. All of those are going to offer the right return on investment to equipment owners.
Okay, great. Well, those are all the questions I had for now. Is there anything else you wanted to add or think our audience should know about the technology, or maybe is there something that maybe sets it apart from other similar technologies on the market?
Yeah, so I think it's a great question. If you look at our C18 concept, it delivers 1400 horsepower, and I guess that modular technology can be used on any of our engine sizes, from our very small engines, from 1 litre, for example, through our mid-size range, 3.6, 4.4, or in fact our 9 litre and 18 litre products. So I guess it's a real modular solution that OEMs can easily understand, and therefore hopefully help OEMs get to market more quickly.
Okay, great. Well, thank you very much for taking the time to speak with me today about the hybrid engine concept. I really appreciate it, and we look forward to hearing more about it in the coming years. So thank you again.